Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a super simple boho hairstyle. It's called a pom pom ponytail tutorial. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is part your hair down the middle. Now you're going to see a little edge, and that's because I put a couple of clip-ins in. I wanted my look to have my hair to have more fullness to it. Normally I have fine hair, so add some clip-ins if you want. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your rat tail and you're going to slice out these little front pieces for visual interest. All right, this is a rat tail comb. You'll just lay the tail comb on its side and then just sort of slice it out. Use the tail comb to separate the front from the back and just let him hang. All right. And in case anybody's wondering, this hat is called Charlie One Horse, and if you're in San Diego or online, you can buy it at Boot Barn, and you're ready to go. So make sure you've got all that hair in the back pulled around to the front, and you're going to grab your first ponytail, what's it called? Rubber band. And any tiny mini rubber bands will do. I was going to grab some, I just grabbed these brown ones. They were hanging around at work. And I was going to grab some rainbow ones that were in my cabinet in the bathroom, give you guys a Burning Man sort of look. But I went with the brown ones so I could match my little Western vibe. Okay, now the trick is you don't want to just put all your rubber bands in right away and then start to puff out the pom-pom. What you're going to do is put a rubber band in and then puff it out. Rubber band in and then puff it out. Let me show you. Okay, so here's your pom-pom. You're going to go right to left, and then you're going to rotate your fingers and then go from front to back. And what that does is that gives you a round pom-pom all the way around, okay? And just kind of keep working it and moving it until you get it the way you like it. Okay, next one. This look was inspired by one of my favorite Instagram accounts, Three Bird Nest. Go check them out. They're great for getting ideas on what to wear. You know, you have a million clothes in your closet and you're like, what do I wear today? Go there. I like to go there and get some ideas. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 matches my 4 on this side. And we're almost done. And my hat is, I think I just mentioned it, sorry if I'm repeating, my hat is by Charlie One Horse, and you can follow them on Instagram with the number 1. So puff right and left and then puff front and back. Okay, now take a look at it. If it looks a little bit like prom, like too perfect, take your fingers and just sort of muss up each of the pom-poms, and that gives it a really neat sort of fuzzy deconstructed look that goes with the overall styling. Okay, and that is me. Be sure to tag me in and let me know if you try this really cute pom-pom ponytail tutorial. And like I said, the best part about it is it doesn't involve a lot of supplies and there's no products involved. You just put them in and go. That's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next video, bye from San Diego. Mwah.